Hey everybody, Scott with RHRSwag, and this is the RHR Slyde PRO tonneau cover with a mid-height overlanding rack. And of course, the Pro Series has the T-slot rails. And the tonneau, of course, 3 styles: vinyl over aluminum, matte black, solid aluminum, or of course, power. And if you want to open the tonneau, there's a latch here, and then tonneau slides forward all the way into a canister. And of course, if you want to close it, you just grab the pull cord and pull it closed. The rack options, you can get them for the mid-height overlanding style rack, 1,000-pound or 500-pound capacities with 200 and 400-pound dynamic weight respectively. Of course, you can move them forward, backwards. You can put whatever, you can put a basket on there, kayak racks, whatever you need to do. Of course, they can hold a tent, et cetera, et cetera. So gear up for your next adventure and join us to learn more about this at rhrswag.com.